Hey YouTubers, Steven here. How's everybody doing? Today we have a special guest.
Leia, and today we're gonna make banana bread with Leia and Grampie.
So the recipe is fairly simple. We found it online and we've made it a bunch of times. So what we need is
Butter, bananas,
salt,
flour, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, baking soda, eggs,
and that's it. We're going to put it all together and then we'll move the camera and we'll show you how we do it.
Yep.
Alright, so we did a little prep work. Okay, we put all the dry stuff in one mixing bowl here. We've got the flour and our baking soda and our salt.
Should I put it in there?
Yes, you can dump in the sugar. We have 3/4 of a cup of white sugar.
A little bit spilled
That's okay, honey. That's fine.
on the counter.
That's fine.
Should I mix these together?
Yep, you can mix that all up. Mix it all up good. Now I have our bananas
And
here in a
there's
stainless
chunks.
steel bowl we're going to mix up. The chunks.
Chunks, and I have to break those up because we don't want our banana bread to get lumpy.
That's right.
To the bottom.
Adding the brown sugar adds a nice sweetness to it, but as she's mixing, she can also visually see that she has it all mixed up because the brown sugar will be everywhere, on the bottom, on the top, in the middle.
And I can tell when there's no lumps.
That's right. You're doing a great job. Okay, we have our melted butter we're going to put in here now that the banana is all ready. And we still have to add our vanilla. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to finish mixing. Oh, we got to add our eggs.
Eggs.
And we also need 2 eggs.
Can I crack one?
Sure. Here you go. Nope, over here. Gotta keep our wet stuff wet. There you go.
Oops, on my hands.
It's alright. That's
There's
alright.
no shells.
Well, that's a success. Let's get the oven on.
Open a little bit. There. Go.
Alright, you're doing a great job there. We've got all our wet stuff in here mixed. I gotta mix it all up. We've got the oven on, preheating it to 350.
Yep. And we will do something and stuff. And that should be done mixing by now and stuff.
Yep, do you want to dump it in?
And we're gonna dump this stuff in. So stay tuned to watching our videos.
There we go. We got it. We got it. Good job.
So stay tuned to watching this video.
We're going to mix this up by hand. And it was funny. Me and my wife were talking the other day about this. And she was wondering why her banana bread comes out different than mine. She uses a mixer. So we're kind of like, I wonder if, that makes a big difference. Because I've always done it by hand. Okay, so now that we've got everything all mixed together, we have a greased pan.
With butter in. It's a grease pan, but it's actually butter for a reason. Because butter makes it slip out easier for us, right?
That's right. It makes it non-stick, so it doesn't stick to the pan.
Yep, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
And it makes it easier to take it out. So always do that.
That's right. All right. We're already in the pan. And the oven is ready to go. So we're going to pop it in and let's see what it looks like when it comes out.
Yep.
Alright, 45 minutes is up. We're gonna give it a little poke here. Well, there's still some stuff in her, so push it back in. And we'll come back in a few minutes and we'll keep checking it until it's the banana bread. You follow me?
Okay.
Okay, let's check it here. Alright, no goop. Let's turn off the oven. Let's put it on the cooling rack. Alright, so there's our banana bread. It looks yummy. So, time to do a taste test. Right? Sure, well, I'm going to cut off a piece here.
So, we're gonna do a taste test to see how it turned out on the inside.
Do you want this piece?
I want this piece.
Okay. What do you think so far? Is it good?
Good.
I like to have a little bit of butter on mine.
So it tastes great.
Alright, let's give it a try. Bon appetit. We did a really good job on this. Thanks everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. We certainly had a good time making the video, and the banana bread tastes so good.
And don't forget to subscribe and click the like button just in case you like this video. And I hope you found this interesting. And we made this since I was 4.
Yeah, we've been making this since you were 4. That's right.
Right?
Alright everyone, be hungry.
Now I'm 6 and be hungry for banana bread.